It is about 4:10 in the morning and I'm about to go catch a flight to DC. So right now I'm trying to finish up packing. Don't mind the mess, you guys, please. Ooh, shucks. Okay. Shucks. Sorry about, I tried to do my hair real quick last night and y'all, I'm just not, it's whatever. So for my outfit, sweater, some leather pants. First of all, real quick, I am so layered up. It's supposed to be like 30 something degrees and snow. So I got on like 2 big coats. Well, I'm excited, y'all. I'm very much giving this. Very much giving, who is this lady? But let me put on my purse and I'll see you guys at the airport. I am cracking myself up. Funny story, you guys. I was actually sitting at the wrong gate. I should have curled my hair again. I should have recurled my hair. I know I keep saying this, but yeah, I got my chips, I got my drinks, so I'll be good for my flight. I'll check in with you guys when I make it to Charlotte.
Your safety and well-being are always the top priorities at American Airlines. To adhere to the Center for Disease Control recommendations, we now require all customers to wear facial coverings securely over your nose and mouth for the full duration of this flight. Wearing a face covering helps protect you and those around you and demonstrates consideration to others traveling. While it is acceptable to remove any facial covering when eating or drinking, you must wear your face coverings at all times during this flight.
Double.
It's like a mini mic. Yeah, isn't that cute? I would get a drink.
And I have about 30 minutes for my flight takes off. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's the guys. I'm Ty. We're from Detroit. We're going to Miami. Got a layover in Charlotte. And we just came over here to a photo bomb.
I will.
That's my husband.
Thank you.
Alright, man. May you have a good day.
Alright, man. You do the same. Bye. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Talk real quick. Hey guys, so it is the next morning and can you turn that down? Never mind. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wait, Rowan is crying. But so it's the next morning. I'm with my sister. Did you want to be in it, Derek? Hello. So we're going to a bakery called Tati or Tate? Tate.
I think it's supposed to be French.
Tate. Tate. Y'all, my sister needs breaks.
Maelysia.
We talked about this yesterday. Yeah. My niece is not having a good morning. She's been crying. So if you hear her, you know, enjoy the music.
Look, you know how to peg and chit-chat goals. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Been with chubs through highs and lows. We seen man last night, they froze. Wasn't no cameras, wasn't no pose. Just like that one time at Cella. Good thing, man, we're pulling out phones. Stay in big 6'6" with woes. Man, start dissing and doing repos. They do anything except rolls. Still can't see them after it snows. I don't have time for the waste man jokes. Personal thing if I'm getting up close. Loyal to Oaks, I've taken an oath. Versace Hotel and I'm taking a rose. Seeing them in person, I'm seeing a ghost. They told me relax as they're taking control. control. Take all that shit up with P and his bro. I wish you the best, let me know how it goes. Wanna be free and I wanna let go. You came around and you showed us the most. I know so much shit that I cannot expose. I keep it inside and I laugh on my own. Got all the tea and I'm hotting it up. I need a shade mansion, no room's not enough. You're dropping some shit, but that shit was a bust. They got no direction, they're following us. I come from a city that they never touched. Your man is a goofy and he can get brushed. I can't name a rapper or a girl that I trust. I dream about turning these youths into dust. Yeah. Yeah. Big Scorpion. Out now. Yeah. Look, you know how the pagan chit chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic tac.
Hey vlog.
Say hey YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
So yeah, we're about to get me a chocolate rose. Hopefully I can get a picture in here. And then I'll check in with you guys once we order and eat. Alright, so ordered some food.
Guess what I got for you, Aiden? Oh, Aiden, look at that. That's not good bird. That's a bad bird. Why? Because it's really big and I don't want to touch it or else you'll bite.
I got me a chicken salad sandwich.
You're going to open it and be like, dang, Gary.
Guam.
What is it? What's in your little cup?
Yeah, my sister does not want to take pictures for me. She really doesn't want to. She's barely doing it, but she really does not want to. And I just knew I should have brought my stand. But I'm like, I don't need to bring my stand. Should have brought my stand and my clicker. Oh, y'all, it's cold. I have to tell y'all later.
Hello.
Aiden, baby, can you record me on the camera?
Yeah.
You can see me?
Yep.
So we're in La Cachetta in Union Market. I'm trying to find a restroom because I really, really have to pee. But it looks so nice in here. I think this is my best bet for a restroom. It's like little, I don't know, restaurant. It's very empty. Yes.
I want one of those.
Did you ask mommy? What'd she say? Aiden, baby, guess what?
After we come back out.
I'm gonna pee really quick, and then guess what I'm gonna get you?
One.
Guess what I'm gonna get you?
One of those?
And I'm gonna get you some hot chocolate, right? Huh?
Yeah, but I really wanted it somewhere.
Okay, we're gonna get it from over there. Let me pee first.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
I put my phone in the sink, my purse in the sink.
Alright, say no more. Alright, so we made it to Union Market. It is so nice. Actually, the lighting is really, really good in this bathroom. So I think I might make my intro real quick. You know, A is peeing, you finna change room when she's about to start crying. But anyways, we're in Union Market, y'all. It is freezing in DC.
Below freezing.
Below freezing. Let me just be clear. This bathroom is so cute though. It's giving me Ponce City Market. Good job, Aiden. Wash your hands. Yeah, so
Aiden! Aiden, turn the light
Aiden.
on.
like, Aiden, baby. I'm gonna go get some hot chocolate. Alright, you're gonna be good today, right?
Yeah.
About to order some drinks, aka some hot chocolate. How much is the hot
Last night
chocolate?
we froze, was no cameras, was no pose. Just like that one time at Nobu, good thing man, we're pulling out phones. Think you know me, that's not true. We got ties in West End too. She came over and she got slew, throwing up 6 like man had flu. I got way too big off views, back to the basics, I won't lose. They wanna live.
What type of drink should I get, dear?
I think a French 75 would be good.
A French 75?
Yeah, if they have that. It's still lovely.
Let's open this a little so that it can cool off, okay? So kids is happy. Let's get a drink. Shit. Sorry. Okay.
Yikes.
I was about to. She said I had to order a food item to get the drink. I said, well, how much is the drink? She said $13. Tell them about my flight real quick and then we can go, okay? Alright. Why is she looking at me like that? The lady over at the bar. So my flight was really quick, really fast. I flew with American Airlines there. I'm flying Delta back. My flight, I had an hour-and-a-half layover in Charlotte, North Carolina. And then the flight itself was like an hour to get to Charlotte and then like an hour-and-a-half to get to D.C. So it wasn't bad at all. It was actually really quick. I thought I was gonna be able to nap more, but I couldn't really sleep on the plane. You picking your nose? So anyways, my sister's looking at me because I don't have my mask on, so I'm gonna make this really quick and wrap it up. But we're about to walk around, so I hope you guys enjoy what we see, whatever we do. This place is really, really cute though. I would just come here and work, honestly. I wonder if this must be like the food court. You said you don't want it. And then I spent all my money on this drink. That makes me sad.
Why did you spend money?
Huh? Why did I spend all my money? Because you said you wanted it. Now your rich auntie is broke.
Huh?
Now her money bank is broken.
Now my money bank is broke because I spent it all for you.
So I think I know what's wrong.
What's wrong?
You gotta get more jobs to get more money.
What did he say?
You said I gotta do what?
I said you gotta do more jobs to get more money.
I need to do more jobs to get more money.
Yes.
But I was gonna order a drink, but I don't want to spend $16 on a drink right now. I just don't want to do it.
Got me. You know you got me.
Alright, so we made it to this record store so that my sister can get her boyfriend something. It's really cute over here. So, yeah. We're about to go into one more store. We're about to go into one more store and then... Yes.
Could you get your phone and then so I could watch videos on it?
Can I get my phone so you can watch videos on it? I apologize. It's just been a lot going on. But I'm definitely going to come back here ASAP because I actually really, really like DC. My sister told me I would. I didn't know how much I would really like it, but I actually do. I'm excited to come back when it is warmer outside because, girl, this weather right now is just, it's not it. And these kids, whew, so... Row. Look at my sister rowing. She's so cute. Me and Aiden. And we're about to go into one more store and then we're going to head back to Virginia to the hotel. You ready?
Yep, ready.
Hello, good. I love this place. The rawness, I guess, concrete. Okay, so this is like an art.
Yeah, so this whole, here's some exhibition parts right here, but
The whole entire theme is capturing objects, people holding those objects with significance.
So this is like an exhibition back here, and then the front is their retail. This is so cute. How much are these scarves? Oh well, let me look at the price tag. Huh? Yep, what about it? You need it? Yeah. My battery's out today, so I'll see you guys back at the hotel. Hey y'all, so right now I'm about to watch a movie. You still gonna stay out? You do it till 11:30?
I don't know about 11:30. I'll make it till 11. Press play.
Good morning, team. Good morning. So it is the next day. What are you about to do, Aiden?
I'm just about to like, get the record to that house.
So right now we're about to go. What are we about to go eat?
The baby's sleeping, which is really good.
We're about to get some brunch. I'll check in with you guys once we get out the car because it's about to be a struggle.
Dad, we're
eating. It was really good. I would say it was about, I'd give it about an 8. And what would you rate this 1 out of 10?
Overall experience, food, drinks.
Overall experience, food, drinks.
5. I'd say it's definitely a 9 out of 10 at least. It's very, very cool.
Really nice. And it is so quiet. I said, oh my gosh, y'all rented this place out for me.
Yeah, take that.
This is my last drink.
Look at that.
Alright, so made it to, what was this?
Navy Yard.
Navy Yard. So we're at Navy Yard right now. About to look at some shops. I got my nephew on my back because he didn't want to walk or stand. So he's on my back. I need a new tripod because my tripod be trying to like play me. It be trying to play me. I'm feeling my drinks, I'm feeling my mimosas, I'm feeling grown. So we're in this little store. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna get a crystal. Oh, this is so cute. Look, they have Black Lives Matter everywhere. Oh my gosh. Let me show you my sister's basket if she has a problem.
Mommy.
Look at my basket. Look at my basket. My nephew didn't even think I had anything in this basket. Ooh, I see some skincare, body care. Aiden, can you record me on my camera for me?
Mom, you're blocking me. I can't see you, Lacey.
It feels like we're wrong. Somewhere here, I never intended to relate. I mean, what are the chances? Never thought I'd connect with you, not in these circumstances.
So freaking beautiful out here. First of all, it is so beautiful. I'm out. Oops, can y'all see me? Okay, so I'm out by the water. I love it here. Honestly, it's super nice. The weather is okay today. Like yesterday, it was freezing. I couldn't do anything. Like, I couldn't take it. Today, it's not that bad, but I'm about to put my gloves on in a second. My hands are cold. I leave tomorrow. It's supposed to snow, so we'll see. My nephew, they're trying to like get him to burn some energy, so he's doing some stuff.
I'm watching you, Aiden. I know you can do it.
Oh yeah.
Look at you, Aiden. Look at you. Do it again. Can you do it again? Oh, that was the best cartwheel I've ever seen.
It is Sunday morning. Just woke up not so long ago. It snowed overnight. It should get up to like 5 inches of snow, so I'm about to take my nephew out really quick so we could look at the snow for like a couple minutes so I can get some footage and some content. Wow. Oh, shucks. A little red nosy.
Here we go!
There we go.
Yeah. Oh! We're about to get some endless tapas before my flight. If I do catch my flight today. Sorry. My focus. What is that? Snow. But anyways, y'all, I'm so cold. I'm so cold. The restaurant we're at is called Palette 22. But I'm super excited. We're ordering everything off the menu. We're about to order everything off the menu to close out my trip.
Never intended to relate. Me with all the chances. Never thought I'd connect with you, not in these circumstances. No. Care if you ain't willing, do you get me? Judging by the way you open up, you get me. Yeah, you really get me. Ooh, this world is open, and now you send me. Where you send me? Looking at the way.
I'm supposed to eat it?
Yeah. It's good.
OMG, man, I don't know if I can eat this. I don't think I can. I see too much.
That's a very good breakfast
I just ordered a salad with some corn, and then that is all for lunch before my flight. I don't want to go.
Girl, I don't even know how you got room for all that. She got.
I don't want to go. Having a little snowball fight.
You're so cold.
It is freezing. It is so cold. But anyways, I feel so good, you guys. Let me take this off. DC has been great to me. I was already talking to my sister about coming back next month, hopefully sometime in February. If I'm off work 2 days in a row, I'm gonna come back for like a day or something. Food is a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna get a little thick out here. It's been real, DC. See y'all back in Atlanta, baby.